Welcome back again to our channel, Healthy Minds, and for today we'll try to have a quick review on what happened in the past days in the market, plus the latest news and updates. We'll be discussing here Shopify and WooCommerce accepting crypto. Let's see which of the altcoins is featured on this. Plus this Swiss stock exchange, the first ETPs to be launched. They're trying to cater now these two altcoins to be added in their exchange. Also, we'll try to discuss what happened to the P cycle indicators after crossing this moving average, predicting the top of Bitcoin. The inverse correlation of DXY or the dollar index, the BTC dominance over altcoins, what's going on this one, and let's see if it continues to plummet or looks like we're seeing bright lights already in the market.
This is Healthy Minds giving you bites and pieces of crypto news.
As promised, we'll try to give updates and what's the latest news in our ecosystem when it comes to the cryptocurrency. As we all know, today we had a strong bounce with Bitcoin, and at the last 24 hours, we are now up by 7.96%. Currently, we are in a sideways at $53,579, followed by Ethereum. It's up by 8.94%, almost 9%, and we're playing around almost 2,500. We have also Binance at $536. And then XRP for today, it's up by 17% at $1.25. We also have Cardano here up by almost 10%. Dogecoin up by almost 2% here. Polkadot almost 8, 9, 10%. We even have Uniswap here up by almost 6.5%, 6.3%. And the rest of the altcoins here, we even have VeChain at almost 5%. Tether almost 20%. Wow. Even Stellar here is at almost 9%. So the altcoins are in green, and this is such a good day for the crypto market. Anyways, what is the latest now? As what we mentioned a while ago, that Shopify and WooCommerce are actually boost Cardano, bringing a crypto asset to this type of platform. It says here that the new Cardano integration is bringing the sixth largest crypto asset to one step closer to mainstream adoption. In a new Reddit post, Crypto Payments Gateway Solution Now Payments unveils a plugin that allows WooCommerce and Shopify merchants to get to their hands on Cardano. So basically, we have another accomplishment, a big adoption, including this institutions that are available to the retails. Speaking of Cardano, we have here world's first Cardano and its Stellar ETPs to launch on Swiss stock exchange. It says here that the Switzerland-based 21 Share AG, formerly known as the Ammon AG, which is considered one of the pioneers in issuing crypto exchange traded products, ETPs, has announced that it will soon be launching the first ADA and XLM ETPs on Swiss Stock Exchange, establishing already that despite of the price action lately, we are seeing that the fundamentals continue to run up with these altcoins, and definitely this will surely boost the market, and it seems like the bulls are still not finished with this cycle. On the next use, last time we already discussed this Pi cycle indicator. Let me show you guys. We already had our cross on this P cycle top indicator, and as we knew, if we had this cross indicating for the past cycles, that we are almost on the top of the bull run, but somehow we are trying to compare this to 2013, 2014 bull run instead of 2017, where it crossed bull run twice. And on this cycle, after crossing it, it has another run before its final pace that bear market. But looks like in comparison to 2017, this 2021 bull run is closer to 2013, 2014 bullish cycle. So what is your stand? Let's try to give your comments down below. And what do you think if this fee cycle top indicator will be able to predict again the top of Bitcoin and the rest of the market? But we are currently seeing that this momentum is crossing across the board. On the next news, the newly public Coinbase lists Tether controversial USD for pro traders. As we all know, Tether is the most used stable coins across the market, especially if you are trading through different platforms. So Tether has the most number of pairs where you could avail trading for a stable coin up to desired altcoins that you are using. It says Coinbase will list Tether on the national trading platform, allowing investors to deposit the dollar peg stable coin immediately and to begin trading the next week. Let's see, and we will keep you guys updated on what will happen. You all know Coinbase is the very first exchange listed in New York. And with this, it shows that being adapted by institution, not just by the retail. Despite of the price action for the previous days, we all know there's no way stopping on this one. And all we have to do now is ride this cycle until we reach that top where we could take profit. Meanwhile, in US dollar currency index, in comparison to Bitcoin, we could clearly see this blue line is the dollar index showing the weakness across the market. But in comparison to Bitcoin, though Bitcoin had a correction this few days, we could see here now that it's attempting again to have that bounce. So will this continue while dollar will continue to plummet as well? Let's see in the following days. We'll keep an eye on this indicators and this different market to assess what's really going on in order for us to navigate and also the exposure in this market. And speaking of chart analysis, we could also see here for the past days that the Bitcoin dominance is continuing to plummet. It means that the altcoins strength are continue to raise up in comparison to Bitcoin. We are looking on this current support, just like what I mentioned last time. If this will break, we could see a massive parabolic run with the rest of the altcoins. So that's what we are waiting for, us to have a bigger exposure on the market. That's it for today. This is just a quick update on what's going on and what we are looking forward.
I'd like also to have this opportunity to thank OFE, or the Overseas Filipino Entrepreneurs, for inviting us on their FB page. We are honored and flattered na makasama sila at we'll be able to share this emerging market. So tamang-tama, this coming May 1, Labor's Day, let's have fun and let's see how we could navigate, utilize, and maximize this emerging market when it comes to cryptocurrency for the mass, just like us ordinary Filipinos. So I'm excited to see you there.
Thank you and ciao.
Once again, this is Healthy Minds reminding you that you're not a financial advisor, so always validate and do your own diligence.